Hello student, today we will discuss about Rashtrakutas, the ruler of Deccan. Okay, now you will ask me what is the meaning of Deccan. Deccan are the area which is located between the Narmada and the Krishna river. Okay, comparing present days Maharashtra, some part of Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka and Odisha. Okay, these part are called the Deccan. Okay, the Deccan saw a rise and fall of numbers of dynasties and empires, but Rashtrakutas were the powerful ruler of Deccan at the time. Okay, you have heard about the Cholas. You have heard about the Cholas or the Chalukyas. Chalukyas were the ruler of Karnataka before the Rashtrakuta, and Rashtrakuta overthrew these Chalukyas and take over the charge of Karnataka. Okay, and they rose their power and wealth and become the independent ruler. Okay, in during the 8th century under Danti Durga, who is also known as the Danti Varman. Okay, the Danti Varman or Danti Durga rose there his power in 8th century and became the ruler of Deccan or part of Karnataka. Okay, and after that, what happened? Danti Durga extended or consolidated his power, expanded his empire in Deccan. Okay, Rashtrakuta was, you all know that the Rashtrakuta were the subordinate of Chalukyas of Karnataka. Danti Durga, who gave foundation of Rashtrakuta dynasty in 753 AD and became the independent ruler. He performed ritual to become the Kshatriya. Okay, mainly in during the ancient time, it was said that the Kshatriya were the मेन रूलर. ऐसा माना जाता था कि क्षत्रिय ही जो होते हैं वो राज करने के लिए होते हैं. उस समय ये एक क्या थी, मान्यता थी. बट इस मान्यता को किसने तोड़ा? बहुत सारे बाद में आने वाले, चाहे आपने मौर्यंस को देखा होगा या गुप्तास को देखा होगा, देवर सो मैनी रूलर्स हु वर नॉट बिलोंग टू द क्षत्रिय and some of them performed some rituals which was called the Hiranya Garbha to become the Kshatriya. Okay, then Danti Durga also organized or performed the ritual which was called the Hiranya Garbha to become the Kshatriya. Here in the map of India, you will see the part of Karnataka, okay, some part of Deccan where the Rashtrakuta consolidated their power. These were the area. This see the map in your book, which is given on page number 27. You will see this was the area where they consolidated their power. And to become the Kshatriya, Danti Durga performed a ritual which was called the Hiranya Garbha. Okay, Hiranya Garbha, the golden womb, with the help of Brahmins to become a Kshatriya. Danti Durga, who was the founder of this dynasty or Rashtrakuta, he made his capital at the Manyakhet, which was also called the Malkhed near the Solapur in Maharashtra. Malkhed was the capital of Rashtrakutas, and Rashtrakutas were overthrown in AD 973 again by the Chalukyas. 973 AD में क्या हुआ, जो चालुक्य नोबल्स थे उन्होंने फिर से राष्ट्रकूटों को हराया और अपनी सारी पावर फिर से अपनी स्टैब्लिश कर ली. Okay, the Rashtrakuta was very big patronized of the Shaivism and Vaishnavism. जो राष्ट्रकूट थे ये शिव के और भगवान विष्णु के बहुत बड़े भक्त थे. बट दे ऑल्सो गेव शेल्टर टू द पीपल हु वर फ्रॉम द अदर रिलीजन लाइक द जैनिज़म और बुद्धिज़्म और इस्लाम. Okay, and they were very big patron of the literature, art and craft. Okay, they built Kailash temple at Ellora and the rock cut caves in Elephanta were carved by the reign of राष्ट्रकूटा। आज आप जो एलोरा केव्स देखेंगे जिसमें कैलाश टेम्पल है और एलिफेंटा केव है बॉम्बे के पास, these were built by these राष्ट्रकूटा because they were a very big patron of art and craft. Okay, and they also gave उन्होंने बहुत बड़े बड़े जो लॉरिएट्स थे उनको भी अपने यहाँ पे क्या दिया, संरक्षण दिया। एंड दे बिल्ड सो मैनी बिग temples and many other forts in Deccan. Okay, this was about the Rashtrakuta. In next topic is your Triparty struggle, which we will discuss in next video. Thank you.